Greetings, class. Have you ever needed something fun to get your mind off of the day? A stress relief? Or just some peace? Today I'm going to show you how to do a diamond painting. You can purchase diamond paintings at Amazon.com, Michael's Craft Stores, or Walmart, or any craft store to be exact. What you need once you purchase your diamond painting is you open the box. Most kits come with a pen, some wax or sometimes called clay. Some kits even come with tweezers, a tray for your diamonds, and your diamonds. You also need to make sure that you have all your diamonds according to the color code on the side of your diamond painting. In this one, I do have all my colors for the painting. When you go to purchase your diamond painting, you can look for a full drill painting, which is where all of the painting is covered in diamonds, or you can choose a partial drill painting, which is where some of the painting is already filled in for you. You just fill in part of the painting. You also have different sizes. This one took me about 2 months to complete. It is one of the bigger ones. The dimensions of the fabric were 49.5 by 60 centimeters. You also have what they call square diamonds. This is a littler one compared to the bigger diamonds, or the round diamonds. I prefer the round diamonds. The square diamonds do not stick as well, and they pop up to where they don't show, and they fall off. I am halfway complete with this diamond painting. I will finish it as soon as this class is complete. When you start your diamond painting, I normally start in a certain area. When you start in a certain area, you choose where you want to start. You can start at the top, the sides, a corner, or the bottom, anywhere you would like to start. I normally start at the bottom due to your hand won't stick and you can work your way up, or you can start at the top and work your way down. For today, I am going to show you starting at the bottom. I normally pick one color, do that color in the section, and then I will complete that section for the purpose of that color. Today I have chosen to pick color 5. Each section on the color code has certain colors in it. On the color code, the packages have the number on corresponding with the color code. For instance, number 5 is actually number 5. Number 6 is actually number 6. Each diamond painting has letters, numbers, certain symbols. For instance, this one has only letters and numbers. and one symbol. So we will start with number 5. It has a plastic covering on it to keep the dust and any debris in the house away. I also like to pick out the darkest colors to start with. When you start your diamond painting, you picked your color, like I have stated. You open the package. It is easier to open the number package with a pair of scissors. I normally just cut off one corner. Dump it in my little tray. Sometimes I shake it so that the diamonds are face up. You take your little pin. It has a hole in the end so that you are able to dab it in your wax. Which fills in the hole in the bottom of your pin. You take your pin, you dab your diamond, you find your number, and you just dab it on the canvas. The canvas is adhesive. And if you are done for the day from doing your diamond painting, you just cover it back up with the plastic. Make sure that it is covered up so that nothing gets into your painting. You do not want any debris in your painting whatsoever. Once you get a certain section done, you can take like a rolling pin or a tool like this for your diamond paintings, and you can roll your diamond paintings like this to make sure that your diamonds are adhesed to the canvas so they won't fall off at any certain point. I started getting into the diamond paintings around Christmas of 2018 when my mother-in-law bought me my first one for Christmas. Since I have been ill, it has given me some peace of mind. It relieves my stress, and it's just something fun for me to do, a new hobby for me. I have done about a dozen of them. The smaller ones, such as this one, took me about a day. This one here took me about 2.5 days to get it complete as far as I have gotten it. This one, like I said, I still need to complete. And this one here took me about 2.5 days. And this is what diamond paintings look like when they're complete. They're sparkly in the light, and you can frame them or you can just keep them the way that they are. So if you're looking for something fresh and new to do, you can look into a diamond painting and just let your mind be at peace. Thank you, and blessings to you all.